Ready to print crypto and make history? I'm Juicy Flips, and today I'm gonna introduce you to TradeWiz, a Solana and BNB trading bot extension with a strong reputation in the ecosystem. Here are some really cool features to highlight: speed, limit orders, trading stop, cross-platform trading, signals, Twitter tagging features, and more. Starting, remember to join Juicy House, the best meme coin community, where you can connect with successful traders, gain insane knowledge, and improve your trading skills. Also, don't forget that I stream every single day. Let's get it. First of all, we have to add the TradeWiz extension. You have the link in the description and also in the first comments. We add to Chrome, in my case. Well, perfect. Extension successfully installed. We go to TradeWiz extension, and now we are gonna get a code from Telegram. As you can see, we can trade on Solana and also on Binance Smart Chain. In my case, I'm gonna trade on Solana. I click Solana, open in web, and I'm gonna receive a code. This is my code. You have to click, text copied to clipboard, and you pay here and verify. As you can see, the security is very high, so your funds are safe. We go to Alpha Signals, and we have different sections: Quick Buy Setting, Signal, Wallet Manager, and Referrals. Well, we are gonna go back to Telegram, and here we have different commands. We are gonna click Wallet. As you can see, this is my address, and now I have one Solana. Wallet 1. If we click export, we will be able to see our private key. So please be sure that you keep in a safe place your private key. Okay, we can trade with TradeWiz in different trading platforms. As you can see, this is like Padre, this is Action, yeah, and this is GM. Well, if we go to whatever tokens, for instance this one, we will be able to see our Insta Trade panel. Okay, I'm gonna maximize, and we can edit how many Solana we want to buy. Just edit preset values, yeah, like 1, 3. Okay, and also how many percentage we want to sell. Just go to edit preset values. Okay, 15, 30. Super easy to use, fun. We come back to the extension. Yeah, and you can customize also here as you prefer. It's super easy to use. Yeah, buy amounts, buy fee, buy tip. This is basically the bribe fee. If you're gonna pay a bribe fee to the validator, so your buy or your sell wanna process even faster. And here the sleep. We are gonna go to auto trade. As you know, thanks to TradeWiz, we can trade on autopilot mode. We have the setting, the anti-map, auto sell to take profits or a stop loss, the trailing stop. Yo, this is really cool. I have not seen this feature in any other trading platform. Well, so what is trailing stop? Basically, when the price moves in a favorable direction, the stop loss moves up accordingly to protect gains already made. If the price reverses, the order is triggered to exit the position, preventing further losses. This is really cool. Also, if the debt sells, you can sell instantly the whole amount or a percentage you want. For instance, if debt sell, you are gonna sell instantly 15%. So you can filter by time. For instance, you can sell after 45 seconds, after 30 seconds, 20 seconds, yeah, as you prefer. And this is the percentage of tokens you are holding you want to sell. Yeah, for instance, I want to sell 20%. I want to sell 30%. Super easy to use. We have the signal section and the wallet manager. This is our wallet list, and you can add up to 500 wallets. Choo! Yeah, super easy. Basically, paste the wallets and then tag with the name. And yeah, that's all. And the wallet list. And this is the signal. Okay, we are gonna receive some signal. My wallet signal. Well, so we are gonna receive some signals depending on our filters, like token age, market cap, top 10 holding limit, insider holding limit, bundle holding limit, fresh wallet holding limit, or we can receive signals by TradeWiz, or we can custom as you prefer. This is an example. Well, we are gonna go to Axiom. The last signal I received was this one, Christmas coin. I received a signal at 26k of market cap. So if we take into account from here until here, this is like a 2x thanks to TradeWiz. Another cool feature, really cool. As you know, a lot of tokens, they have linked a community, a Twitter account, so we can get a lot of info from Twitter. For instance, we go to this account, Elon Musk. So TradeWiz is telling us that 3,400 KOLs are following Elon Musk. And here we can see the most relevance. This information is super important to trade meme coins. Yo, I really like, and also is very helpful. This concludes the TradeWiz guide. But before we finish, riddle of the day. If a hot dog gets cold, is it still a hot dog? Leave your answer in the comments. Drop your feedback and let me know what videos you want to see. Make sure to join Juicy House and check out all the links in the description. Remember, I stream live every single day. Much love. See you inside. Legend.